undergraduate. Okay. The title of the project is Vocational Training Center for Undergraduate University Students and Teachers in Jordan. Okay, so let me talk about the context of this project. What we have usually is the university represented by the teachers and students on one side of the bridge, and on the other side of the bridge we have the jobs and the challenges. And the problem here, we have this gap between the two. And this is the idea, the very essence of the idea of this project is how to bridge the gap. And this project is to establish a vocational training center that meets the needs of the job market by taking action within the class or as co-curricular activity beside the class, so that we both speak the same language. We understand the needs and we tailor-made what we have to suit the needs of the market. So this is the idea. So the objective of this project is to first establish a vocational training center at each of the partner universities in Jordan, develop and enhance the staff abilities who will lead this process, provide undergraduate students with the skills and competencies needed by the market. How will we know that? We will come to it in a bit. The EU experience is very crucial here because they are very advanced in the vocational skills. So that's why we are partnering with some partners, like 5 partners in the EU, who will transfer this experience. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. And finally, linking the higher education, research and business for excellence and regional development. So these are the main objectives. This is just a brief about the identity of the project, the budget of the project. We started in October 2015 and we're supposed to finish not the working of the project, but the financial of the project by October 2018. Now these are our partners. So in the Jordanian side, we have 6 Jordanian universities and 1 company that's specialized in e-learning. So the partners are Just University, Jordanian University, German Jordanian University, Al-Bayt University, Mota University, and finally a company called Al-Muttahida Education Group. On the other side, we have the European partners who have distinguished skills in vocational training. They are Leipzig University for Applied Sciences, which is the grant holder, Slovak University for Agriculture in Nitra, in Slovakia, and ISPAP Institute in Portugal, and this is a vocational training institute in Portugal. A company, private company, consultant company called Paula Viaca in Portugal, and finally Agora Institute for Knowledge Management in Spain. So these are, we have in total 12 partners. These are the different work packages of the project that starts with preparation, development, quality, dissemination. I'll give just a few seconds to look at it, I don't need to read it. Now, in order to bridge the gap between the university and industry, we need to test the grounds. So, and that's what we did. We developed, all partners sit together and we developed a questionnaire. And with this questionnaire, we asked the 2 parts, the students and the professors on one side, and we gave another questionnaire for the companies who are receiving our students. What do you miss as a student and what do you miss as an employer? And we try to cook out of these understandings a model that meets both needs. Okay? And the results of this questionnaire is we have to develop target skills and competencies. And we found out of this questionnaire 4 areas. The first one is engineering, the second one skills and competencies in education, healthcare and biotechnology, and finally in the business administration. And the missing skill or the target skills that has been agreed by most of the partners and most of the employers are as follows. So in the engineering side, we should focus more on the sales and marketing and the project management as co-curricular activity. And it is given not in the sort of lectures, but more on a practical way. In the education side, We need to more focus on modern strategies in teaching, identify special needs, learning abilities, multimedia. So this week we have our partner in Portugal is giving this training on multimedia production using tablets, smartphones. On Saturday it's on GGU. I think today was on Just University. Great. In healthcare, I let you read the others. So we have on the healthcare, operational medical care. We are also running some workshops on that, extracting medical knowledge, proficiency in the practicing of infection protocol, etc. In the business administration, we have skills in computer science, skills in computer and business software, customer management and customer services. These are some of the results. So the results of this work so far, like we are 70% the time of the project. First, we have officially opened 6 vocational training centers in 6 Jordanian governmental universities. In each center, we have 25 PCs, server. Some of them have copy machines. Okay. We have concluded a survey on all these universities. We have held several training workshops by local vocational trainers. We have participated in several job fairs, vocational training workshops by trainers from Portugal, vocational training workshops by training from Slovakia, and we also sent our staff to our EU partners. Like in Slovakia, we had one training workshop in May 2017, in Portugal in April, and the last one is recently in Germany, in Leipzig, from 11 to 17 March. So these are some testimonies of our staff and some of our students. So this is what Islam Al-Qasim, research and teaching assistant at GGU. She came lately from Leipzig in Germany 3 weeks ago. Some of them, it was their first experience to Europe. Even some of them, it was their first experience outside Jordan. So besides the know-how, as Dr. Ahmed earlier described, it's really an eye-opener. So if it just go and see, that was an added value for our university. This is a student who took some of the workshops from the EU partners at our university, for example. Here I would like to run quickly with some of the photos of actual session that has been. This is, for example, game development workshop. Sorry, I put mostly GGU because these are the photos I have, but similar or other workshops and other Jordanian partners conducted such workshops. This is, for example, for our partner from Portugal who gave a training workshop at GGU. This is a training by trainers from Slovak University. This is another, the same training, but how to use computers and softwares on some sales and marketing. This is Excel training. This is how to use model design in co-curricular activities. This is also a professional trainer. This is how to brand your name when you apply for a job at JGU. This is from the EU training for staff. This is, for example, in Porto. This is in Slovakia, and that was 3 weeks ago in Germany. I hope we could bridge the gap with this project. Thank you very much.